Very good evening to all. In this video, we are going to discuss the applications of tree. The applications of tree, we are going to discuss the Huffman tree. The Huffman tree, what we have to do? First, we have to do a encoding. After encoding, we have to find out the code word. Okay. The code encoding and the code word which is used to find out the path for the words. Okay, the encoding and decoding mainly it is used to avoid the threads. Encoding means it is a process of putting the sequence of characters into a special form for transmission. Okay, the code word it is a special format that represent each character. And there are two types of encodings, fixed length encoding and variable length encoding. And if while we are going to the fixed length encoding, the fixed length encoding is used to assign to each symbols a bit string of same length. Okay, for that it use the ASCII codes. Already you know that the American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Okay, these are all the binary alphabets. If I am giving the binary alphabets, what will be the ASCII code? Okay, it is a standard values. And the first three things already we have discussed. The next one is the variable length encoding. Variable length encoding means the different characters it is assigned with the different values. That is, different code words will be used. Then the variable length encoding code word that's a different length to different symbols. If I am using E, I can assign to 1, A 10, P 101, Q 1010. So there are 4 lengths are assigned to a 4 different characters. Okay, how to decode these values? Okay, that thing we are going to discuss in the example. Okay, you can consider this 5 symbol alphabets A, B, C, D hyphen. Okay, for this symbol the frequency is given, that is probability value is given. Okay, for this given table, first we have to construct the Huffman tree. With the help of Huffman tree, we have to identify the code word for each. Then after that, we have to do the encoding part. Okay, this is the example which is already we have seen. Here the minimum value A is 0.35 and D is 0.2, C 0.2, hyphen is 0.15, B is 0.1. If I am going with the probability concept, the minimum values will be created. So first we have to consider first these 2 values and we have to construct the tree like this. Okay, if I have attached this, the root node should be created. And the value for this root node is the probability of character B and hyphen. B and hyphen is 1 and 1.5, 1.15 is 0.25. Just we have created and we have to push that pointer onto the stack in the order. See here, if I am compared with the 0.25 and 0.35, 0.25 is lesser, so it is inserted before the 0.35 and this 0.22 values are moved to the front disk. Here next it is considered 3.2, 0.2, here created another tree and if combined this 0.4, so where it should become, it should be replaced after the 0.35. Okay. See, first 0.25, then 0.35 and 0.4. So among these 3 value 0.25 and 0.35 is smaller. So combine these 2 and form a new tree. It is identified and constructed and the 0.25 plus 0.35 is 0.6. Okay, it is attached over there. Okay, the 0.6 it is greater than 0.4, so we have to remove these 2 and move this 2 here and insert this 0.6 like this. Okay, now the stack is having only the 2 pointers. If you combine these 2, okay, the tree will become like this. The stack it will having only 1 pointers. 1.0, zero point 0.4 and zero point 0.6. Then after constructing this Huffman tree, we have to fill the value. If it is a left edge, it should be assigned with 0, right side 1. The same way it is performed here also, all the places. Okay. Next, if I have to, what I have to do? Next, I have to find out the code word, right? So now I want to reach the A from this root. The root value is in 1.0. The A is placed over here. From this, I have to put one edge, then next again 1 where from root value, if I read 1 I can able to read the character A. Okay, similarly done for B also. For B, first we have to travel in the right side, then we have to check with the 0.6. Again this B is placed over here, so left side, next again left, so 1 0 0. Next is C is 0 0. Next D is we are having it is placed over here, right? 0 1. Okay, next hyphen also it is filled. Okay, next we have to find out the encoding for bat cab. Okay, for this, if I want to read B, where it is, what will be the code? 100, it is replaced here. Next A 11, D 01, hyphen 101. C means again 00. A means 11. B is 100. This encrypted word only it will be transmitted over the net. Okay. Reference book. Thank you.